How to fix Turtle Beach Recon 70 mic not working on PS4 and PS5. Fix 1. Ensure proper connection. Step 1. Check the 3.5mm jack. Ensure the headset's 3.5mm plug is securely connected to the controller's headset port. Step 2. Inspect the mute switch. Verify that the microphone is not muted. The Recon 70 features a flip-to-mute microphone. Ensure it's in the up position to unmute. Fix 2. Adjust microphone settings on PS4 PS4. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. Devices, Audio Devices. Step 2. Set input device to headset connected to controller. Step 3. Adjust microphone level to an appropriate setting. Step 4. Ensure output to headphones is set to all audio. For 5. Step 1. Go to Settings. Sound microphone. Step 2. Set input device to controller headset. Step 3. Adjust microphone level to an appropriate setting. Step 4. Ensure microphone status is set to always on. Fix 3. Test the headset on another device. Step 1. Connect to a different device. Plug the headset into a smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Test the microphone record, a voice memo, or make a call to check if the microphone works. Step 3. Interpret the results. If the mic works on another device, the issue may be with the PS4 PS5 settings or hardware. If the mic doesn't work elsewhere, the headset might be faulty. Fix 4. Update controller firmware. 5. Step 1. Connect the controller via USB. Use a USB cable to connect the controller to the PAV. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Go to Settings, Accessories, Controllers, Wireless Controller, Device Software. Step 3. Check for updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Fix 5. Reset the controller. Step 1. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on the back of the controller near the L2 button. Step 2. Press the reset button. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. Step 3. Reconnect the controller. Reconnect the controller to the PS, the microphone.